Good morning, everyone. It's MA from Geneva, and it's day 21 of the virtual school experience. Today, I want to reflect on timing, and here's why. Yesterday, I was talking about a video screencast that I was going to roll out to my students with general feedback about their writing assignment, and I was going to report back on how that went. I haven't rolled it out yet. That's due out this afternoon. But at the end of the day, I came across the interview that Jennifer Gonzalez had with Kareem Farah on the subject of screencasting your videos, and I learned some things that made me stop and want to redo that video. So I ended up redoing that video last night, and I'm much happier with the results now. And this is based on lots of research that they cite in the podcast, but also on the work done over at the Center for Teaching at Vanderbilt University. And some of the things that they're talking about that make for effective video screencasting are keeping within a small time frame. So they're saying ideally 6 to 9 minutes. My original screencast video, although I thought it was amazing, was 26 minutes. And so completely not in keeping with the research. Another thing that they were talking about was making it interactive. So I'm still working on that. I don't know how interactive I made my new video. Reducing text, which I understand, and I've already taken that on board. And also making sure that there's something happening on the screen as you're talking so that it's not just you talking. Another tip they were giving is to make sure it's conversational and it sounds like you and that you're not talking too slowly, which is, I thought was a good thing, but I guess in video screencasting, you need to just be more natural in your speaking. So I've redone it, and from 26 minutes, I've narrowed that down. I couldn't get it under the 6 to 9 minute mark, but I ended up splitting the lesson into 2 bits. So I have one part that's 9 minutes and one part that's 6 minutes. I'm much happier with the result on that, and I will let you know what the students think about that. So something to think about, screencast video and timing. That's all I have for you today. Talk to you tomorrow.